Okay, ladies and gentlemen, back at the RV again. Today is August 5th. It is Wednesday, and yesterday we had Hurricane Isaias come through and give us a little bit of trouble. But luckily, I used that Gorilla Tape in the last episode to get this all the edges taped up, all the major holes up top taped up. So it actually held up really well, and there's no water leaking inside, which is great. I do though have to get this out again and clean the roof off. I'll give you a shot of it real quick. So you can see I just got to clean off everything again so that I can get ready to seal it. And that is today's project. I'm gonna let you guys come along with me.
So, RV, I've come to challenge you. Huh. Oh, silent type, huh? I see what you're doing. How dare you! You can't show that to me without respecting me! Ah!
Next step, here we go. Henry tropi-cool. Sounds cool, right? I got that bad boy. We're gonna open them up and ready to work. I'll give you guys a shot. Now, thanks to the hurricane, plenty of stirring sticks. So we're just gonna go ahead and stir this up really well. Done. So, roller cover, roller frame, easy enough. And we fill up the paint can. Let's get this already getting paint on myself. Let's get this show on the road. So, you ready for the next step? Now, I did listen to a couple of your guys' comments. You mentioned, I don't know if tape's the best idea. I also don't know if you should be painting over this while it's still not totally clean, and I understand that in a perfect situation that wouldn't be the best option. But this is just meant to be a mobile man cave, and it's only supposed to last me a couple years, if that. I just want to seal the top so that it's not going to leak, so that I can work on the inside safely for the rest of the time. Oh yeah, don't mind this. Yeah, when you get old, you freaking fall and run into things and slip. And in this situation, I'd protect the phone instead of my arm. I wish I could say it was something cooler. Motocross accident. So I'm already noticing something interesting about this. I'm going to show you guys. You can see here, when I painted the white on it, now I can see exactly where the extra pinholes are that I couldn't see when it was a little dirtier. As you guys can see, what I'm doing here is painting not only on the roof, but over that top layer of tape that I had. Let's see where it isn't. I'm coming right up and over top of that layer. And I'm gonna lay it really thick so that this sealant layers over the tape that is shingled so that water won't get in. I'll be the first to admit, having the right tool for the job makes a difference. A big difference a lot of times. But that doesn't mean you can't get the job done if you don't have that tool. You just have to adapt and overcome. So for example, this little paint roller isn't long enough for me to reach all the way across the top of the RV. And I don't have the extension that screws in here, and I don't have a taller ladder that'll work for that. So, adapt and overcome. Stick, tape, paint roller. Observe. Step 1. Get tape. Step 2. Align the two pieces. Close enough for me. Let's see. I'll make this work. I make it work. Ta-da! Back to work. That's going to be it for today's video, guys. Today's project is done. The roof is sealed. At least the first coat. I'm going to do a second coat, but that's that first 5-gallon bucket, and I got one layer on the entire roof. Now, she's not going to win any beauty pageants, but it will keep it sealed and keep the water out. So that's all I really want, and I'm happy with the way it turned out. So I guess I will see you guys next time. Until then, peace.